In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications from Bitget mobile app. So if you are getting these annoying notifications and you'd like to turn them off permanently, then this video will help you just to do that. My name is Isaac and this is a Minute with AI. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. It really helps. Now to get started, all you need to do is to access the app information page, and there are two ways you can achieve this. And to do this, just go to settings, and here is settings, and then tap on it, and from here go ahead and look for apps, and here is my apps. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have app information page here. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So for this version, you might get this option called manage apps under apps. However, on your smartphone, maybe it is written all apps. Go ahead and tap on it to display or open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now from here, scroll down until you see your app, and I'll look for mine. Here it is, Bitget. I'll tap on it to open. Now we are on the information page, and this is where we are going to turn the notifications from. However, if getting to this page was a touting task or is quite complex, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use to get to the same page. Now from your app here, just go ahead and long press on it, and then you'll see we have this option called app info. Here it is. So if you go ahead and tap on app info, it will still take you to the same page, and here we are on the same page. Now scroll down until you see this option called notifications. As you can see, it is currently turned to yes. And the reason why we are getting a lot of notification, or we are getting a lot of notifications, is because this has been turned on. So if you open, you can see all the types of notifications are on, and this is the reason why you get all of them. Now to turn them off, you can turn one by one here. However, that will take long. To turn just all of them once, just go ahead and use this option called show notifications. You can see it is toggled on. Go ahead and toggle it off, and all the other notifications will be turned off. So by doing so, you will have stopped pop-up notifications on this app permanently. So that's how you do it and solve this problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.